Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can layer emojis in your iMessage. You can used to do it with emojis only, but now you have to use the emojis that you have. So just type on your iMessage and you're going to select stickers here and you're going to get a base sticker. I'm just going to select this white heart and I'm going to actually send it first. Then I'm going to select this app store icon, and I'm going to select the stickers one here. I'm going to select it and I'm going to find the one I want, maybe this bear, and you're just going to drag that bear to the sticker, like the emoji that you already have. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to drag it and place it on top of my emoji. And you can also do it with a lot of the emojis that they have here. So again, you can select more and drag it and place it on top. There you have this combined sticker on iMessage. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!